In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to use secrets on Replit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your project's secrets, how to review them safely, and how to add new ones without exposing sensitive information in your code or version control. First, open your browser and head to Replit. If you're prompted, sign into your account so you can access your dashboard. From there, locate the project you want to work on. Selecting the right project is important because secrets are saved per project, and you'll want to configure them where your code actually runs. Inside your project workspace, look over to the sidebar and open the Tools and Files area. This panel is where Replit groups helpful utilities for your workspace. If your screen is smaller, you might need to expand the sidebar to see all options. Next, use the search within Tools to look for secrets, then select it. This section is sometimes referred to as environment variables because that's exactly how your app reads them at runtime. Opening it brings you to a dedicated panel designed for managing key value pairs securely. Here, you'll see a list of your project's existing keys. Replit hides the values so they don't appear on screen, which helps protect tokens and credentials. These keys become available to your code when it runs. For example, in many languages, you'll access them through environment variables, letting you configure your app without hard-coding private data. A quick tip: avoid logging these values in your console and never paste them directly into your source files. If you need to manage a key, click the More button next to it to reveal additional options. Depending on your setup, you can edit or remove a key or copy information you need without revealing the full value. Use these controls carefully. If you do reveal a value, make sure you're not sharing your screen or recording it, and rotate the secret if you think it may have been exposed. To add another secret, choose New Configuration. Give your key a clear, consistent name. Uppercase with underscores works well, like service API key, and paste the value exactly as provided by the service you're integrating. Avoid extra spaces or quotes and include a brief description if the interface allows, so future you remembers what it's for. Save it, and your new secret will be available to your code the next time it runs. Remember, secrets aren't committed to your repository, which helps keep them safe. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.